How to check analytics on TikTok. So if you want to check whether your TikTok is losing traffic or is getting more exposures, or you want to check how many followers you've had in the last few weeks or how many views you've got in the last few days, then you need to check your TikTok analytics. So here, I'll walk you through how to check TikTok analytics either on Android or on iPhone. So if I don't know this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to check TikTok analytics, all you just need to do is go ahead and click on TikTok app. Then let's say you are on For You page on TikTok, just like this. Now go ahead and click on the profile icon at the bottom right to go to your TikTok profile page. Now while on the profile page, click on this menu icon at the top right. Then you want to click on TikTok Studio. Now once you selected TikTok Studio, then you should see Analytics. Then under Analytics, go ahead and click on View All. Then once you selected View All, hang on while the TikTok Analytic page opens. So this is my TikTok Analytic page. And in the past few days, I've gotten about 37k post views, 148 profile views, 12 comments, 362 likes, 150 shares, and here is my complete analytics. And here is where my traffic source is. I have my traffic source mainly from TikTok search and TikTok For You page, including my personal profile. Is that? So you can check your content. So check the variable, then check based on this. So you can sort your content by most views, most new viewers, your most liked content on TikTok, your new followers. You see that? So the post with the most followed content in the past few days. Then if you come to viewers, then you have more key metrics about your TikTok viewers. You can also come here to sort the viewer insight by gender, age, and then location. You see that? Then click on more to see more information about your TikTok analytic location. Then if you come to followers as well, then you should see your followers metrics. So in the past few days, I've gained about 1,000 followers, which is net, and I've lost about a few thousand followers. You see that? Then you can also check where your followers are coming, location, by this. Then if you do live, then you can also come here, check your live analytics. And then for overview, just select overview to have access to your TikTok analytics overview. So that is basically how to check analytics on TikTok. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.